Welcome back to the channel. So today we'll be doing Mermaid essentials like these, seashells and sequins. So we have these are ears I created. You have to see my other video to see how I created that. We've got pearls, we've got sequins, bigger sequins, rhinestones, cowries, rhinestones, and the sequins you have to make sure they're cut up. So let's get into it. Your first step will be adding liquid latex with a spatula to the surface you're using. Use your tweezer and then position the sequins in the direction you want them to go. So I wanted to create this scale-like illusion. That's why the sequins are cut into half, and I'm just placing them basically different colors. That's the color scheme I'm going with. Some bright and shiny and shimmery colors, because I want it to look very girly and very so you just add and add layer on the latex when the latex starts to dry, because latex it's really light and dries fast, so you have to be fast. So I added a seashell here, and I'm just layering latex on top of it because I want to look like I want to give it the effect that it's sunken into my skin. So I'm adding rhinestones and adding more cut up sequins to cover that up. And the good thing about latex is it dries amber. The pieces you see at the side aren't even fully dry. Like when it dries, it gives you this like transparent look. So yeah, as you see me, so I don't know where this zoom go. Anyway, forgive me, I still dey learn work. Apparently the world is your oyster. So add whatever you like. Stones, shells, cowries if you're feeling very fancy. Anything you like. If you feel like it, add it. More sequins, baby, go for it. Just make sure when the latex dries, you layer, because it will mess up your stuff if you don't. Ha.
Everybody shake it, baby. Everybody shake it, baby.
So the finished look should look like this, and once you're done, you just add latex to the sides of the prosthetic so that when dry, the prosthetic will rest easily on your skin. That's why I'm doing this. So you can use the bottom of your spatula or So once done, leave it to dry. Oh, here I was just weighing seashells to see which was heavier, and I picked the lighter one. So here I'm layering latex and then adding cotton wool on top of that. Yes, cotton wool, to give it the effect, that sunken effect. I've said I want that in my video, in my look. I want it to look like it's in my skin. So I'm using cotton wool and latex to do that. Oh god, I'm away from the screen, am I not? Shit. You're not gonna manage. You have no choice. So just cotton wool, latex and drag where you feel necessary. So here, add latex to the bottom of your prosthetic because you want it to like sit on your skin comfortably with no issues. You don't want it coming off. And we're done. Brought to you by Don't be lobby show. Watch my other videos, please. Subscribe, help me. Subscribe. Turn on post notifications. Tell your family, tell your brother, tell your sister, tell your friends, tell your boyfriend. Bye.